Crispy chicken fried rice. You can make in your home under 45 minutes.
So this is after frying it for
You need fresh chicken breast, you need rice, some fresh veggies, eggs, MSG, some soy sauce. This is a crispy chicken version of the fried rice. 4 fillets of the chicken breast, we will cut them into cubes, biteable size cubes. Make the beautiful cubes out of chicken breast first. Then we will season it and then we will fry these guys up. Chicken breast is ready. Add oil. So have at least enough oil so your chicken cubes get a dip. Let's season this. First thing goes in there, corn flour. This is 4 pounds of the chicken breast, and here you go, at least 4 tablespoons of the corn flour. This will bring the crunch on it. Half tablespoon of the paprika, 1 whole tablespoon of the coriander powder. We'll take 1 tablespoon of the ginger and garlic minced. 1 egg goes in here. Salt, here you go. This is just flavoring and crisping up the chicken for our rice. This is the first step we have to do. Just 1 tablespoon is enough for it. At least 2 tablespoons of the soy sauce. After mixing it for 5 minutes, this is the chicken cubes you will get. You will grab it, add it in hot oil. Chinese style crispy chicken fried rice. Just make sure they are getting fried independently.
So this is after frying it for 7 to 8 minutes at 350 degrees. We will take our chicken out. Look at these beautiful nuggets. Wow. Let's scoop these out. Put it in a separate.
So fry it for 7 to 8 minutes at 350 degrees. This is the second batch. We will wait 8 minutes more. I just want to show you 8 minutes and the juicy right now. It's juicy and the crispy on the top. That's what it is. Wow, crispy and delicious chicken is ready. So let's take this batch out as well. Our frying part of the chicken is done. We will take 2 cups of rice. These are Basmati rice. 2 cups of water. We'll bring it to boil. A new pot is on the stove. Here is all the magic gonna happen. Corn oil, half cup of it. Right here. Here is minced ginger and garlic. We will take 2 tablespoons of it. We will take 4 of the spring onions. We just need the mostly white part right now at this time. And look at the rice. They are halfway done already. So what we will do, we will turn it off and turn off the stove, and it has some water. Let it be like this. Here is our capsicum. One whole capsicum. So I'm using peas and carrots. They are chopped. 1 whole cup of. 1 cup of broccoli. You can use cabbage too, but I like broccoli. This is my preference. 1 to 1.5, whatever you prefer. I like broccoli more, so that's what it is. You see all the veggies, they are in. Let's season these veggies now. First, we will take an egg and put an egg in here. Let the egg get cooked. 1.5 tablespoon of the black pepper. 1 tablespoon of the cumin seeds. You can use powder too. Just give it a flavor. This is MSG, monosodium glutamate. 1 tablespoon of it. And 1 tablespoon of the regular kosher salt. 3 tablespoons of the soy. Give it a mix to the veggies. Eggs, veggies, and all the seasoning, they are perfectly ready. Let's add our rice. Give it a rough mix. And here goes all our chicken. Whoa, it looks so good, so colorful. If you want to make it a little delicious, right? This is teriyaki sauce. Use it, add it. It's gonna give a wonderful flavor to your rice. Teriyaki sauce goes on top of the chicken. At least 4 tablespoons of it. Let's mix this. Look at all the colors. Crispy chicken fried rice. A delicious Chinese recipe, but to the best. So at this point we have to cook these rice and the chicken, everything, so all the flavors get together. And here you go. This is it. Put it on simmer and cover it. And just simmer it for just 10 more minutes. And also crispy fried chicken rice, or crispy chicken fried rice. And here it is. Look at this. It has been on the simmer. We are not cooking it more. They are completely done. If you want to add more spring onion on it, definitely do that. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. Yum. Moment of truth. We will take the crispy chicken, the rice, the egg, the peas, and the broccoli. This is the hungry bite, premium bite. Here you go. Really, really, really good. Wow. We can open a restaurant on it. Subscribe the channel, like the video. I'll see you on the next one. It's so easy to do. We just followed 3 steps and we made the whole enough meal at least for 6 people right here. It's hot, steaming hot. You can make the same recipe in your kitchen, in your house, for your friends, for your family. I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, subscribe the channel. You can add your own sauces on it. Here you go. This is next level deliciousness.